We first saw Laurent in a kitchen showroom and liked it so much that we started researching it and came across Mayfair Worktops. Got in touch with Josh, who was so professional, so helpful. He covered everything from the process, the cutting, the templating and the installation. The day they came to do the templating, I was very surprised. They were here 2 hours, very, very thorough, but they were explaining everything and helping us choose and advise us where to situate things like the sockets, the hob, and also to make sure we had the right support for the seating areas. The day they came to fit the worktop, it was very exciting, but they were here right on time. They were very efficient, they were very clean, there was no mess. And again, just very thorough with what they told us they were doing and how they needed to do it. Excellent service. I love my worktop. Down to the polished edges, they just look so smooth, but the feel of the actual worktop is lovely. But the biggest thing I love about this is the ease of cleaning it. No chemicals, you just wipe it down and that's it, it's done. But what I find with it, I find it evolves. And one day you'll see something new and then something else will appear. And I'm sure they grow overnight, but they don't, I know. But I just love this.